Hello everyone, why rules in English, how to use why and where to use why. So here is explanation. To make plural a word that ends in a vowel immediately followed by y, just add s, as in try, twice. Now before y there is vowel. O is what? Vowel. So we have to just add s if we want to make its plural. Try, twice, play, plays. Another usage, when y immediately follows a consonant, change the y to I and add es. So here are following examples of that how we change y to I and add es. Like family, families, pony, ponies, treaty, treaties, fly, flies. Now in these all words, before y there is consonant, and if we want to make its plural, then we just add ies.